Alright, so welcome back to the third video. Now in this video, as I said, we'll be basically running this code which we just wrote. So before doing that, we need to save it in the htdocs folder which is in the xampp directory, right? So let's go ahead, save as, and navigate to the xampp directory which will be in your C drive. In my case it is the I drive. You will find the xampp folder right here. Go inside htdocs folder and save it in the htdocs folder with the same extension .html, right? So you can either write it or select it from a list. So I'll select it here and I'll save it. Same with the form.php, because I said that we need to save both of these in the same folder, right? So again, go to the same folder, local disk I xampp htdocs. In your case it will be C xampp htdocs, right? And it is a .php file, so I save it like that. Now what we need to do is we need to start the xampp service. So I'll search xampp and I launch the control panel. So I need to start only the Apache server for processing my PHP file, right? Just wait for a while till it starts. So it turned green, which means it's running. So let's go to our web or Firefox now, and again, as we did in the PHP part, go to localhost, open the localhost directory and type the name of the document, right? So the name was index.html. So there we go, this is now open. I'll enter a username, I'll enter some email ID, and I'll click the submit button. So when I click the submit button, it goes to another page. Now as you can see, the username and email ID are there in the address bar as well. So your username is this. Now we have some issue here, undefined index, we probably misspelled something, and the email ID is agibadani@yahoo.in, right? So as you can see, this is the process data of our form. I've entered the name and email ID in the form. When I click submit, it is showing my username, a horizontal rule as we mentioned, and my email ID, right? So that is how you process data, and that is how you incorporate PHP scripts in an HTML document, right? Right, so that is all about processing forms, which you're going to learn in this series. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the final video.